The OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection and shows the basic functions of a communication system. The OSI model is made up of 7 layers: physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. The first layer is the physical layer. This layer transfers the bit stream through the network at both the mechanical and electrical level. This can be done either by electrical impulse, light signal, or by radio signal. The physical layer uses hardware such as defining cables in order to send and receive data on a carrier. Examples found in the physical layer include Ethernet, FDDI, and B8ZS. The second layer is the data link layer. Here, data packets are encoded and decoded into bits. This layer is divided into 2 sublayers: the media access control layer and the logical link control layer. The MAC sublayer controls how a computer on the network gains access to data and gets permission to transmit it. The LLC layer controls things such as frame synchronization, flow control, and error checking. The third layer is the network layer. This layer provides switching and routing technologies that create logical paths, known as virtual circuits. These are used for transmitting data from node to node. Functions of this layer include routing and forwarding, addressing, internetworking, and packet sequencing. Network layer examples include AppleTalk, DDP, and IP. The fourth layer is the transport layer. This layer provides a way that data can be transferred between end systems. It ensures that data gets a complete transfer and is also responsible for end-to-end error recovery and flow control. The fifth layer is the session layer. This is where connections between applications are established, managed, and terminated. Conversations, exchanges, and dialogues between applications are set up, coordinated, and terminated as well. Session layer examples include NFS, RPC, and SQL. The sixth layer is the presentation layer. Here, data is translated into different forms that can be used by the application layer. This layer also formats and encrypts data so that it can be sent across a network. Some presentation examples include encryption, ASCII, GIF, and JPEG. The last layer of the OSI model is the application layer. Communication partners, quality of service, and user authentication and privacy are also identified here. Services provided by this layer include file transfers, email, and other network software services. Examples of applications include web browsers, HTTP, and FTP. In conclusion, the OSI model shows the basic functions needed for a communication system. Again, the 7 OSI layers are physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application.